So we have more exercises. As I've told, in grammar we need to do a lot of exercises for us to understand the concept better. Just by learning the definition will not serve the purpose. So the more exercise you do, the more you will become make the learning full-fledged. So let us see another exercise. So we have the adjectives and we have to write the correct adjective in the blanks. So we have rough. Rough tells us the texture. Hungry, the behavior. Blue is the color. Bright, sunny, insect, ring, apartment, song, tire. So these are all the adjectives and we have to match it with its appropriate noun. So rough, hungry, blue, bright, sunny, insect, ring, apartment, song and tire. So let us see which adjective comes where. So the first one is a dash shirt. So when we talk about a shirt, we always talk about the color. So we write a blue shirt. So he is wearing a blue shirt. He is wearing a blue shirt. The next sentence is a dash day. So how is the climate? Whether it is raining or it is sunny or it is dull or cloudy. So we have a sunny day. The sun is shining bright. So we say a sunny day. So I write the word sunny, a sunny day. The third sentence we have a dash sea. So how is the sea? What is the state? Whether it is calm or rough. So we say it is a rough sea. So we add the word rough. So it tells us about the noun sea. Next we have a dash star. So we always say a bright star. So I write the word bright. And our fifth sentence we have a dash lion, a hungry lion. So these 5 adjectives I am using to describe the nouns. So the words rough, hungry, blue, bright, sunny are all the adjectives, and these adjectives are used to describe the nouns shirt, day, sea, star, lion. So we say a blue shirt, a sunny day, a rough sea, a bright star, a hungry lion. In the next 5 sentences, we have the nouns and we have to match it with the correct adjectives. So we have the nouns insect, which is the name of an animal, ring is the name of a thing, apartment is the name of a place or a building, song again name of a thing, tire is the name of a thing. And we have to match the nouns with the adjectives that are already given. So we say a flat, okay, we always associate it with the tire, a flat tire. So I write the noun here, tire, a flat tire. Next, a big, so we say a big apartment. So I write the word apartment. So I write the word apartment in the a big apartment. Next, a small, okay, so I write a small ring or a small insect. So I write the word insect. A small insect, it tells us about the size of the insect. Next, a golden ring. So we write the word ring. A golden ring. And the last sentence is a popular song. So it tells us what type of song, whether it is old, new, famous or the type of song. So we have matched the nouns with the adjectives. A flat tire, a big apartment, a small insect, a golden ring, a popular song. So in the first sentence, we were given the adjectives and we matched it with the nouns. And the next 5 sentences, we were given the nouns and we had to match it with the adjectives. So moving on to our next exercise is, we are given 2 options and we have to choose which is the correct or appropriate option. So if I take the first sentence, a big or tasty dog was chewing on a bone. So I have to select the correct option. Either I'll select a big or tasty. So a big or tasty dog was chewing on a bone. So the correct adjective is a big dog. So I tick the word big. Next, Isaac rode to school in a tiny or yellow bus. So which adjective tells more about the bus? So Isaac rode to school in a yellow bus. So I write the word yellow. It was a very cold or dented day. So we always say it was a cold day. So I write the word cold. It was a very cold day. Next, Anne asked a dash blue or strong man to open a bottle. So normally we don't say blue man. So we say a strong man. So I tick the word strong. Anne asked a strong man to open a bottle. Next, Brooke left a warm or purple jump robe on the playground. So Brooke left a purple jump. So a purple jump on the playground. Next, Jaya hurt a mouth on a hot or sticky piece of pizza. So you hurt your mouth on a hot pizza. Hurt a mouth on a hot piece of pizza. Next, Raj had to fix his slippery or broken glasses. So the appropriate word is broken glasses. So normally you fix something that is broken. Autumn was excited to see the cold or huge elephant at the zoo. So we say a huge elephant. We don't say a cold elephant. So I tick the word huge. Next, Tom was shy around the beautiful or left girl. So when we say girl, we associate it with a beauty. So a beautiful girl. The Empire State Building is a very flat or tall building. So we say a tall building. So I tick the word tall. So these are all the appropriate options for the sentences. A big dog was chewing on a bone. Isaac rode to school in a yellow bus. It was a very cold day. Anne asked a strong man to open a bottle. Brooke left a purple jump robe on the playground. Jaya hurt a mouth on a hot piece of pizza. Raj had to fix his broken glasses. Autumn was excited to see the huge elephant at the zoo. Tom was shy around the beautiful girl. The Empire State Building is a very tall building. So these are all the adjectives: big, yellow, cold, strong, purple, hot, broken, huge, beautiful, and tall. These are all the adjectives that we use to tell you more about the nouns that are being used in the sentences.